Hi everyone, welcome back to DIYgeardo. Today we will show you how to replace the fingerprint button with the flex on Macbook Air M1 model. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair which are listed in the description. First, turn off the Macbook Air and if connected to the power outlet, disconnect it. Next, take off the bottom case cover. For this, you can use P5 pentalobe screwdriver. First, undo 6 screws securing the cover. Please note that the screws are different length, so keep track of their places for reassembly. Start using the tool from the hinges area and gently work around the edges to separate the clips. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, gently lift the bottom case cover using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the battery connector. First, lift the lever and then gently disconnect the cable using a pry tool. For this, need to take out the headphone audio board from the body. First, take out the bracket by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect 2 connectors and the plug from the board. Next, undo 3 screws securing the board. Next, gently pull out the board using a pry tool or tweezer. Next, undo 6 screws to take out the bracket. Next, tilt the device. Gently open the lid and then reach for the button. Next, gently pull out the not working fingerprint flex cable with the button. Next, place and secure the new fingerprint button in the body. First, open the lid and insert the new fingerprint button flex through the opening. Secure the button in place. And then position the bracket. Next, fasten the bracket by tightening 6 screws. Next, place and secure the headphone audio board in the body. Next, secure the audio board placement by fastening 3 screws. Next, connect 2 connectors and the plug to the board. And then secure the bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the battery connector and then secure the connection lever. Next, it is suitable to turn on the device for testing. Once the testing completes, place and secure the bottom cover. Before placing the screws, ensure the proper placement. Next, secure 6 screws. Make sure to place the correct screw sizes in the original placement. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.